So this is 4-stroke petrol engine. So as we have discussed, what is the difference between petrol and diesel engine? Petrol and diesel, what is the difference? Three differences.
सिंपल
So as I said, there are three difference, main difference. So first is the type of fuel which we use. There is one is petrol and another is diesel, as the name suggests. Other is the cycle that it uses, auto cycle, and diesel engine uses diesel cycle. Then the third, that is that how the combustion takes place in petrol and diesel engine. So in petrol engine, the combustion takes place in the form with the help of spark plug. With the help of spark plug means in petrol engine, the air and fuel mixture is inserted in the cylinder, and after that, with the help of spark plug, it is ignited. While in diesel engine, only the air is compressed and it is ignited with the help of fuel injection. There is a difference between petrol and diesel engine. So this is the model of 4-stroke petrol engine. So what are the main components here? So let's start with, so what is this outer portion? This is outer portion. What is this? This outer portion is cylinder. Inside which there is a piston. So the piston is moving from top dead center to bottom dead center. As I move revolving this cycle, so it is moving from top dead center to bottom dead center. So top dead means which is center means this is the top and this is the bottom. So this is the bottom dead center and this is the top dead center. So if I revolve one cycle, so suppose this is now here it is at bottom dead center. In one revolution, how much piston is moving? How much it is moving? So you have to see. So in one cycle, so how much it is moved from bottom dead center? It has moved to top dead center. So one stroke, and then again from top dead center to bottom dead center. So in one cycle, it is moving in 2 strokes. So up and down. So what will happen in 4-stroke petrol engine? What is the cycle? So there are total 4 strokes. As it is mentioned, there are total 4 strokes. So what are the strokes? So first is suction, then second is compression, then third is power, and fourth is exhaust. So as the name suggests, first is suction. So in first stroke, what will happen in suction? Suction means, what do you mean by suction? Suction means to suck anything. So what is what here it will suck? So it will suck the air fuel mixture. So in the first stroke, so how the stroke will start? So suppose the piston is in top dead center. So in the first stroke, so when the piston will move in bottom dead center, so vacuum is created. So whenever vacuum is created, so there is a pressure difference between outside atmosphere and inside atmosphere. So due to pressure difference, what will happen to the air fuel mixture? So when a flow is possible, whenever there is a pressure difference. So if I want to move water from here, from one place to another place, so if there is a pressure difference, so it will move automatically without any force. So without any force, it will move automatically towards low pressure. So when I move the piston in downward direction, so due to the suction, so a vacuum is created, due to which this inlet valve will open. So this inlet valve will open, and due to the inlet valve, what will happen? The air fuel mixture will pour in towards the suction, and this till it reaches the bottom dead center. So till it reaches the bottom dead center, the air fuel mixture will flow inside the cylinder. So the air fuel mixture is flowing inside the cylinder due to the vacuum. So after it has reached the bottom dead center, so till that this air fuel mixture will flow inside the cylinder. So after it has reached the bottom dead center, now what will happen? This inlet valve will get closed. And now the cycle will move ahead and the piston will move in upward direction. So now what is happening, that now the air-filled mixture is cannot move outside, or no air-filled mixture can come inside, because both the valves are closed. Both the valves are closed. So now what will happen? So this air-filled mixture will get compressed. This air-filled mixture will get compressed. So as it moves in upward direction, so more and more compression takes place. So more and more compression takes place, and till it reaches the top dead center. So a few clearance is left. A few clearance is left. So how much till that we can compress? We cannot compress infinitely. Otherwise, it will become solid. If you compress a liquid to infinite state, it will become solid. So we have compressed to very high pressure. We are compressing so much, and at this point, when it is compressed maximum level, the spark will ignite this whole mixture, and due to this spark, the combustion takes place. And once the combustion takes place, so now what will happen? That combustion will force automatically piston in downward direction due to this spark, the power stroke. Now this third stroke is power stroke. So what was the first stroke? Suction. Second is compression. Two strokes are completed. Now the third stroke. So the third stroke, the piston will move from top dead center to bottom dead center, and that is power stroke. So due to this combustion, the piston will move in downward direction due to this power, and this power is generated, and this power is transferred to the our automobile due to this power, which is now you may have think that only in the third stage power is generated. So due to only third stage, the piston is moving due to this power. But what about other stages? So in suction, in compression, power is required. So how this power is distributed? So this power, which is only produced in third stage, that is in power state, that power is stored in this crankshaft, and this crankshaft uses this power in other stages, that is suction and compression. Because at that time also power is required, but that time power is not produced. Power is only produced in third stage, that is after combustion. So that power is used, and due to which the other stages get power. And similarly, this power is transferred to the automobile. In the third stage, power is produced. So after that, once it comes to the bottom dead center. So here your power stroke gets completed. Now what will happen? Now the last stage is exhaust. So now the exhaust valve will open. The inlet valve will not open, just the exhaust valve will open. So in this stage, what will happen? Now the piston will move from bottom dead center to top dead center. So it will move ahead, and this will push all the combustible gases that are converted into carbon dioxide and other forms, carbon monoxide, whatever it is. So that will get exhaust through the exhaust pipe, and it will complete this whole cycle. So it will come towards the top dead center, and this will complete whole cycle. So understood what I am trying to say here? So this consists of 4 strokes. So this is petrol engine. Now we will see diesel engine, and we will also see 2 stroke. What are the differences? Okay. So now before that, we will see few components. So what are these components? So this component, it is called connecting rod. So it is connecting your crank to the piston. So this is called connecting rod. Now this is your crank. So this is crank, and this is called flywheel. So this is called flywheel. So this will store your power with the help of flywheel, and it will give when it is required. So this is called flywheel. And here, as I told, inlet and outlet port. Now you may have questioned that what part decides that at what time the inlet port should start and at what time inlet port should stop. So how this mechanism works? कि क्यारे inlet port આપણે open કરવું છે and ક્યારે આપણે બંધ કરવું છે. So how this mechanism works? So this inlet and exhaust port, they both are connected to cam forward system. So it is more deep. It is mechanism cam and forward. So with the help of this cam and forward mechanism, this inlet and exhaust port are governed with the help of cam and forward. So there are different types of cam and forward. There is knife phase, roller, and according to the whatever the layout it is. So according to the layout, it works the open and close of this inlet and outlet. So this is
સિસ્ટમ જેવા છે સિસ્ટમ એ મોશન કા ઉપર નીચે હવે ફોલો એટલે શું કેમ ફોલો તો આ રીતનું પ્રયોગ કરવાનો આ રીતનું એટલે માનો કે અહીંયાથી આવે કોઈ પણ આમ કરે પાછું ઉપર જાય નીચે આવું કારણ શું કહેવા માંગુ આ છે અહીંયા રાઉન્ડ છે તો અહીંથી આમ કરો તો ઉપર કેમ ઉપર અહીંયા આવું છે રાઉન્ડ વધતો શું થાય ત્યાં જે આ જે છે આવું છે કેટલો ઉપર જાય રાઉન્ડ વધતો એમને એમ જ એ કેમ કરો તમને રાઉન્ડ આવતો
but it may come if you're mechanical, it may come in future studies.
machine design
Cam follower, it may come in future studies if you're operating. So this was 4-stroke petrol engine. Now we'll see diesel engine and also we'll see 2-stroke. So what are the differences? So let's take diesel engine. So this is diesel engine. Okay, so now here as you are seeing there are differences. Here there was inlet and outlet port. Here can you see any inlet and outlet port? There is any inlet and outlet port. So instead of inlet port,
ડિફરન્સ પેલામાં વાલ્વ હશે એમાં પોર્ટ હશે
so here there is a fuel injector. So here it is a fuel injector. Here in liquid. And here there is a spark plug. So instead of spark plug, here we are using fuel injector. Okay. So what will happen just through this fuel injector? So instead of spark plug, here we are using fuel injector. So here also inlet and outlet port are there. Inlet and outlet system is there, but in 2-stroke there is no inlet and outlet. So there are valves. So here in 4-stroke also inlet and outlet is there. But here in inlet what we are getting here? What is the difference? Here we are getting in air fuel mixture, but here in inlet we are getting only air. So fuel we are getting from injector. Fuel we are injecting with the help of fuel injector. Here in inlet we are only getting air. So here also this is a 4-stroke. So here also 4 strokes. So first stroke is suction. So let's start with suction. So suppose it is at top dead center. Okay. Now it is coming in bottom dead center. So it is coming in bottom dead center. So it will suck. So what it will suck? Only air. It will suck only air. So here only air is sucked. So that is our first stroke. Then this is second stroke. So in second stroke, so what is compressing? Only air. Only air is getting compressed. So here the air is getting compressed. Now the difference between here and here is that this compression is very high. Here the compression is very high because it is only air. So it is very easy to compress air at very high pressure, but it is very difficult to compress a liquid. So to compress a liquid, it is very difficult. It means you cannot compress liquid. So but it is an air fuel mixture, so you can compress the air. But here only it is air. So here the compression ratio is very high compared to the petrol engine. So the air is getting compressed. So air is getting compressed here, and after the air has reached a maximum compression, now what will happen? Here there is no spark plug. So what will happen here now? What will happen after suction? and compression. Two strokes are completed. Suction, compression. Now what will happen? Fuel injector. So the fuel will inject in atomized form. If you see the fuel injector, so its diameter, the diameter of the fuel is so small that it will be injected in an atomized form. So you must have seen that if any liquid is there, so the liquid is made up of molecules, and molecules are made up of atoms. So it is so small, it will be injected that it will be in atomized form, and as soon as the liquid or as soon as the fuel, diesel fuel, gets injected to the air, it will just ignite this whole compressor. It will ignite this fuel and air mixture. Now it will get mixed and this will ignite. So once the ignition starts, so now what will happen? So here the air inlet will get closed. So once the ignition starts, so the inlet will be closed. So no air can come inside. Okay? And the fuel. So fuel is getting injected. So once all the fuel is injected, so now what will happen? The third stroke is after. What is the third stroke? Third stroke, suction, compression, then power. So as combustion takes place, so third stroke, power will be generated. So now due to this power, this piston will move in downward direction. The piston will move in downward direction due to this power. And same as I told that this power is stored in this flywheel and it is used for the other strokes also, because other strokes doesn't have any power. So just in suction and compression. So this power stroke will move this piston in downward direction, and then the last, what is the last stroke? Exhaust stroke. So in exhaust stroke, now what will happen? After it has reached the bottom dead center. So now what will happen? This exhaust one will open, and now exhaust will open, and this will move in upward direction. So the exhaust, all the exhaust gases, it is carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, it all will move in upward direction, and all the few gases will move to the atmosphere. So this is the difference between petrol and diesel engine. But this both are 4-stroke engines. Okay, so you are not seeing this 2-stroke engine. Now most of the automobiles which we use are 4-stroke engines. But 2-stroke is also used mostly in rickshaws. If you see in the rickshaw at the back, it is written 2T petrol engine or 2T diesel engine or CNG. Now CNG is used. But in rickshaw generally 2-stroke is used because 2-stroke is little bit cheaper than the 4-stroke engine. Okay, but efficiency of 4-stroke is much higher than the 2-stroke engine, because in 2-stroke engine there may be possibilities that few unburned fuel may be left out towards the exhaust, that is called scavenging process, due to which that may be possible in 2-stroke engine.
Scavenging मतलब क्या होता है? Scavenging. What is scavenging?
No. So 2-stroke engine, 2-stroke
engine, what happened?
So this is 4-stroke engine and this is 2-stroke engine. So here as you can see, there is no valve નથી આપણે ઇનલેટ અને આઉટલેટ વાલ્વ નથી. એટલે કે શું છે, પોર્ટ છે.
આમાં કેવું છે, પોર્ટમાં કેવું 2-stroke એન્જિનમાં કેવું છે કે ઘણી બધી પ્રોસેસીસ છે ને સાયમલ્ટેનિયસલી થાય. આપણે માની લેવાનું કે ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ અહીંયાથી એર અને ફ્યુલ મિક્સર જે છે એ ઓલરેડી એન્ટર થઈ ચૂક્યું છે અને પહેલાં પ્રોસેસ થઈ છે પાવર સ્ટોકની, ત્યારે એ અહીંયા પાવર સ્ટોકની પ્રોસેસ થઈ જવાનું છે. અહીંયા સ્પાર્ક છે તો અહીંયા ઓલરેડી પ્રોસેસ થઈ ગઈ છે. શેની પ્રોસેસ થઈ ગઈ છે? પાવર સ્ટોકની થઈ જશે ને પહેલાં જ્યારે સ્ટાર્ટિંગ, તો એ થઈ ગઈ છે. એ દરમિયાન શું થશે? આ ઉપર થઈ જશે એટલે અહીંયાથી જે આ નીચે આવી ગયા બરાબર, એટલે અહીંયાથી એ દરમિયાન અહીંયાથી જે ચાર્જ છે કે ચાર્જ એટલે શું એર અને ફ્યુઝનું મિક્સર જે કાર્બોરેટરમાંથી આમ આવશે ચાલે.
So here main difference is that two processes
એટલે અહીંયા આવી
एक साथ થાય છે.
પછી ઉપર આવ્યો આ સેકન્ડ સ્ટેપ એટલે જે ચાર્જ જે છે એકદમ કમ્પ્રેસ થશે એટોમિક ફોર્મમાં અને ત્યાં સ્પાર્ક પણ થઈ જશે. જેવો સ્પાર્ક થયો એટલે નીચે આવી જશે ખ્યાલ નીચે આવી જશે. હવે બીજી વસ્તુ કે જ્યારે આ જે છે ને એ આ ઉપર ઢકેલ ગયું એટલે જે મિક્સર આવ્યું હશે બહાર નીકળે. વાલ્વનું કામ શું છે? વાલ્વનું કામ નોન લિટર વાલ્વ એક ખોલે બીજો બંધ થાય એવું આમાં નથી. આમાં ફક્ત શું છે? પોટ. એટલે આ શું થઈ ઢંકાઈ ગયું. આપણે થઈ ને ઉપર આવી ગયા પિસ્ટન બહુ મોટું રોકેટ સાયન્સ નથી આ પણ સમજવું કેમ હતું કેમ કે બે સ્ટોક બધી પ્રોસેસ થઈ ગઈ. સ્પાર્ક ક્યાં આપણે એટલે તરત નીચે જે બધું થયું હોય જે સ્મોક ને બધું એટલે અહીંયા ઓપન થઈ જશે. આ મશીન બગડી ગયું તો આપણે ત્યાંથી બધી પાછળ આ પ્રોસેસ છે. હવે બીજી વાત સ્કેનિંગ છે. સ્કેનિંગ એટલે શું કે જ્યારે સેકન્ડ સ્ટેપ પૂરો થઈ જાય અને પછી ફરીથી જે પહેલો સ્ટેપની સ્ટાર્ટિંગ થાય ને એના પહેલાં જે સ્મોક હોય ને બધો બહાર નીકળી જશે પૂરેપૂરો. એના આપણે કહીશું સ્કેનિંગ. તમારે નહીં આવે મિકેનિકલમાં ગવર્મેન્ટની કમ્પિટિટિવ એક્ઝામ હોય એમાં પ્રશ્ન ખાસ પૂછે તો વોટ ઇઝ સ્કેનિંગ એ રીતે છે. ડીઝલમાં એવું છે ખાસ સમજવા જેવું નથી.
So the difference between petrol and diesel in two-stroke also will be that here in petrol we will use spark plug and in diesel we will use diesel injector. We will use diesel injector. In petrol engine the inlet here the inlet will be that is air fuel mixture in petrol and in diesel it will be only air and fuel is injected during the combustion only.
And what is the difference between injector and spark plug?
इंजेक्टर में वो जो जिससे हम जो पेट्रोल होता है वो इंजेक्ट करते हैं हम
Diesel.
हाँ
नहीं
डीजल
इंजेक्ट करते हैं स्प्रेड बताया स्प्रेड फॉर्म में और स्पार्क प्लग यानी क्या?
जो ओनली जो एयर होती है उसको वो
मिक्सर होता है
Air fuel mixer.
मिक्सर होता है
उसको
उसको
जला
रिजल्ट पता है आपको? रिजल्ट क्या है? क्योंकि हम इसमें इसका यूज करते हैं किसका? इंजेक्टर और इसमें स्पार्क प्लग का यूज करते हैं. इसका रिजल्ट क्या है? क्योंकि जो डीजल होता है डीजल वो ज्यादा ज्वलनशील होता है. सर मेन कारण है.
Any questions?
No.
So, how spark is created in spark plug? How the spark plug will have power? Battery. Yes. So to start an engine, so spark is needed. So in petrol engine generally battery is very much required. So to do the self start. So for self start also for spark the battery is required. But if you see that if you kick with a money, so ત્યારે બી engine start થઈ જશે. There also spark is required. So what will happen in petrol engine or in our two wheelers? What is happening that while the engine is running, so that engine will charge your battery. So that will charge your battery. So due to which you can use this energy from the battery. So it charges. You must have seen that if you're not using your two wheeler, so the battery gets drained. You must have seen. And after you just use few hours, then the battery gets charged automatically in two wheeler. You જોયું છે કે નહીં જોયું?